It's not like the railroad train following the track. No, it's just not on top, but hooked around the track. Anything happens, the train will be on there, and you will be safe if you are still in your seats. That means the speed is so fast. It's starting with 0 and then immediately 100 kilometers, 200, 300, going like crazy. For 18.6 miles, it needs only 7 minutes, 20 seconds.
It's just engaging. No noise.
Silent, no pollution.
列车启动，请乘客们在列车上站在安全线内，不要过度奔跑。谢谢。
So really all this is just concrete with the magnetic strip. Driving on the road beside it, you feel the backwash, but you don't see the train because it's gone by the time you feel the backwash. There you go. That was the other train. That was the other train.